Today we will be testing a day trading indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a day trading indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 386 different strategies, with 121 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 285 of the other strategies that we've put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,046 indicators, with 436 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a day trading indicator. And so the source video says this new SuperTrend tells you exactly where to exit trades with profit, 100% useful. And so we're going to put this to the test and see what we can get out of it. What we'll do is just go ahead and hide the indicators we have on screen now. And the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Power Root SuperTrend, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen and keep it on the default settings. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Andean oscillator. And now the source video said that this SuperTrend indicator, this new SuperTrend indicator, should be used with another indicator to help identify the overall trend direction. And so since the source video often recommends using this particular indicator, I went ahead and added the Andean oscillator to the screen and use that as a confirmation of trend. Now, I thought since it is a new kind of super trend that we might just test it as a standard super trend with a kind of set risk reward, and then see how well it does, and then maybe we'll test it again with the exits that it has built into it. And so we'll take a look at those as well. But what we're looking at is we are looking for just the traditional trend color shift from the super trend. And so you can see right here that it is red, and then it starts to switch to this greenish background right here. And what I did was I looked at these numbers right here above my cursor. And so what I'm looking for right now is, you can see if I hover over these candles that are in the definite red kind of background of the super trend, both these numbers here are red. And if I hover over this candle right here, you can see one of those numbers is red and one of them is the lighter blue. And if I hover over this one, you can see both of them are blue. And so I took that as the total confirmation when both of them are blue. Then I look down to the Andean oscillator, and I want the green line to be above both the orange and the red line, like it is here. And so when those line up, that'll be the signal to then enter into a long. I'm going to put my trade right there, put my stop right below this pivot, and I'm going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, putting it right about there. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see a really nice climb to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And we'll go ahead and take a look at the exits. And so you can see how it gives these X's right here. This is supposedly the exit signals from this new indicator. And again, we'll probably test that on a later video. And for a short trade, what we are looking for, so we're looking for that color shift from the super trend. Again, we go from the bluish color here, looking at the numbers. Again, if I hover over this candle right here, you can see both those numbers are red. If I back it up one, you can see that they are both actually the blue color. And so right here we get both the numbers turning red, confirming it has shifted colors. Then I'm looking down at the Andean oscillator, and you can see that the red line is above the orange and the green. And so that would be your signal to then enter into a short. I'm going to put our trade right there, put our stop just right above this pivot here, and target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, again you can see a really nice push to the downside getting us to rotate profit, and again you can see these exits that appear right here. The X's again are supposed to be the take profits that are built in to this indicator, and I would note that a lot of the times it is signaling you to exit very soon, or even exit what would be eventually a winning trade. And so again, that's why I thought it'd be interesting just testing it like this first without these exits. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 23 winning trades and 27 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 46% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $13,800. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $10,800 for an overall gain of $3,000 altogether. So not too bad of a strategy, all things considered. But compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 46 trades altogether. We had 37 winning trades and 9 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 79% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $22,200. On the losing side, you'd have lost $10,800 for an overall gain of $11,400. So definitely better results. And you'll have to excuse me if you're hearing some noise in the background. It's raining here quite significantly, and the rain's kind of bouncing off my window, so might be kind of soothing. Now back to the testing here. Now, if you were to use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, it would increase the win rate of the Academy of Forex indicator quite significantly, and would have pushed the win rate up into the high 90%, and the total gain would have been closer to the $22,000 mark. So definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing, and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. And so the other day we closed the winning trade number 30 and 31. And so that still puts us at a 100% win rate. 31 trades in a row now have been winning. That's using the position management strategy as well as the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. I'll put a screenshot up of both those trades on screen now, one right after another. We're closing on in on 2 months of profitable trading without a losing trade, and in the back testing, this strategy, the position management strategy and the crypto scalping strategy combination, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row before it took a losing trade. And so it's a really strong, great combination. As a matter of fact, we're so confident in its ability, we're offering a money-back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and in the first 30 days, if you're not able to be profitable with that combination, then we will give you your money back. You can go to our Discord and check out the money back guarantee right here. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.